Today we're going to show you how to assemble Trak's Addie Beam connector bracket. Before we begin assembly, please unbox all of the pieces and parts that you've received. You should have 1 suede covered bracket, 4 button head bolts, 8 countersunk bolts, 4 split washers, 4 flat washers, 8 star washers, 2 end spacers, a red 5mm hex wrench, and an orange 6mm hex wrench. To use the Addie Beam connector bracket, you will also need 2 Addie Beams. If you are missing any of these pieces, please contact customer service . Place both previously assembled Addie Beams end to end with the feet facing up. Remove all 4 feet from the beams. Store the old hardware safely for use when the Addie Beams are not connected. Place 1 end spacer on the outer screw holes. Place the foot onto the spacer, aligning the screw holes. Insert and tighten 2 countersunk bolts and star washers using the 6mm hex wrench. Do not over-tighten. Repeat this step on the opposite outer holes of the second Addie Beam. Unscrew the adjusting screw until the sliding plate can freely move from one end of the channel to the other. Align the connector bracket with the holes at the ends of the beams. Loosely screw the feet to the inner holes using the countersunk bolts and star washers. Place 1 split washer and 1 flat washer onto a button head bolt and loosely screw into the outer holes. Do not tighten it fully. If the holes don't line up, use the long end of the wrench to shift the plate into position. Fully tighten the 4 bolts on the fixed end of the bracket. Tighten the adjustment screw with the 5mm hex wrench to pull the beams together. Stop tightening when the beams stop moving together or when the end of one beam begins to lift off of the floor. Tighten all remaining bolts and ensure all components are secure with no wiggle. Lift one end of the beam to check the beam is fully secure. If the beam still feels loose, loosen all 4 bolts on the sliding plate. Tighten the adjusting screw further and re-tighten all 4 bolts on the sliding plate. Roll the 2 connected beams upright and enjoy your new 16-foot Addie Beam.